Hi everyone, this is Komal from Ashirwad Jaipur. We are back with the sale of size 38. Today in the festival time I am giving you sale of size 38. You all can inquire for other sizes also, but I think mostly we have only single pieces and that too in size 38. So let's start with the first design. You all have to take the screenshot and send us on 9602265888. I repeat, आपको स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है जो भी पीस अच्छा लगे उसका और 9602265888 पर सेंड करना है. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट डिजाइन इन कॉटन पोल्का डॉट्स. जस्ट सी द क्रोशिया डिटेलिंग्स ऑन द नेक. दिस इज द स्ट्राइप्स पैंट विद दिस. ये इसका कॉटन का पैंट आएगा. सो दिस इज अ 2-piece सेट इन कॉटन पोल्का डॉट्स कुर्ता एंड पैंट्स. दिस इज ओनली फॉर 895. In this we have all sizes available. Only 895 is the price and all sizes available. In this we have two colors. One is this purple color and second is this blue color. So two colors, only 895 is the price. Kurta and pant, 2-piece set. This is again a cotton kurta in angrakha neck with see the crochet tailings on the neck. Angrakha neck it is with this lacing. See the pants with this block print kurta, block print pants in cotton. Only 895 is the price. 40 to 46 is the size. इसमें सारे sizes मिलेंगे 40 to 46. Only 895 is the price for this 2-piece set. We have two colors again, purple and black. 895 is the price. 40 to 46 is the size. Another design in 2-piece cotton in Jaipuri. Just see the embroidery. See the sequence work on the neck. See the beautiful embroidery and the work. See the beautiful color. Designer sleeves with crochet detailings. Just have a look. This is a 2-piece set. Shall we have a call करो? This is a 2-piece set. उससे कर लेंगे. Cotton kurta and this is the pant with this. So this is again 40 to 44 is the size and only 895 is the price. Only 895 is the price. Another design in cotton, 2-piece set, pure cotton. See the crochet tailings on the neck, crochet tailings in the front, on the sleeves. Again a 2-piece set. This is the shirt and this is the pant. 40 to 46 is the size and only 895 is the price. Now this is another design in cotton in lurex. This is a cotton lurex. Just have a look. Cotton lurex kurta with see the buttons, little embroidery all over on the kurta. On the bottom this is a short kurta with the pants. Pants has also got this crochet detailings. So this is a kurta in lurex with the pants. Only 895 is the price. 38 is the size. Only 38 size available. 895 is the price. आपको स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर 9602265888 पर भेजना है. Again a cotton kurta with this handwork on the neck. Just have a look at the little handwork on the neck. This has got pockets on the sides. Just see, this is the pocket on the side. Cotton kurta in little A-line with see the plazo. This is with the plazo. So cotton kurta and plazo. राहुल इसका क्या प्राइस है? अशोक भैया प्राइस 1395. This is for 1395. 1395 is the price for this A-line cotton pure kurta with pockets on both the sides and pant along with this. Pure cotton. 1395 is the price. डोर क्यों खोल रहा है? सोनू बोलो बार-बार, आवाज हो रहा है. Now I'll show you few designs in muslin. This is a muslin apple cut kurta with this work on the neck. Muslin apple cut kurta with these Afghani pants. With these Afghani pants. Only 1495 is the price. Only 1495 is the price. Another design in this pure muslin apple cut kurta. This is a very very nice soft fabric. You will definitely fall in love with this fabric. एक बार पहनोगे तो बहुत ही आपको अच्छा लगेगा. Just see the work. Ma'am, we are located in Bapu Bazaar, Jaipur. Bapu Bazaar 55 is the shop number. You can visit the store if you want to try and buy. We do have a trial room also. Just see the work on the neck. See the pockets on both the sides. See the work on the pocket. Pure muslin fabric. 38, only 38 is the size, and 1695 is the price. Now this is another design in cotton bandage. Just see the tassels on both the sides. See the embroidery on the sleeves. See the embroidery on the neck. This comes with this cotton pants, and this is a block print dupatta with this. This is priced at only 1295. Only 1295 for this 3-piece set in cotton. इन सब में एक एक पीस ही अवेलेबल है. जिसको भी चाहिए हो प्लीज स्क्रीनशॉट लेके फटाफट भेज देना. Another design in cotton with this embroidery on the neck, and this comes with this cotton pants. So this is again a 2-piece set only for 1195. See the embroidery on the neck. Very beautiful embroidery on the neck. Only 1195 is the price. Another design in cotton leheriya. This is a leheriya kurta in cotton. 38 ma'am. 38 size का है आज सेल. तो मोस्टली सब में you will get 38. This is 38 size ready in leheriya with this Afghani pants, and see the pure chiffon laddu bandage dupatta with this. Only 1095 is the price. Another design in block print cotton. This is a cotton block print kurta with this handwork on the neck. Just see the little handwork on the neck. Very nice design. Pure fabric in block print cotton. This is the block print pants with this, and this comes with this block print dupatta. Block print cotton full dupatta with this. Just see, this is the full dupatta with this. This piece is priced at 1495. 1495 is the price. Ma'am, if you are interested in 42 size, आप screenshot ले लीजिए. जिस भी piece में interested है, we'll let you know if 42 size is available. Otherwise, after 4-5 days, we'll come up with 42 also. आज 38 size का sale है. We will come up with 42 size also. This is 38 size ready. Cotton block print, 1495 is the price. Another design in cotton with, see the cotton sequence work on the top. Just have a look. Sequence work, little sequence work on the sleeves. This is again a block print kurta with these block print pants. See the print. Just have a look at the print. And this comes with this block print full dupatta with this. This is the block print full dupatta with this. Only 1095 is the price. 38 is the size and 1095 is the price. Now this is another design in cotton with this thread work all over. Just have a look at the embroidery work. This is complete embroidered. Just see the color. This is a lilac color with, see the embroidery all over on the kurta. Just have a look. This comes with these pants with complete embroidery on the pants also, and pure chiffon dupatta. This comes with this pure chiffon dupatta. I think we have all sizes available in this. Still, if जो भी size चाहिए हो उसका आप screenshot लेके भेज दीजिए. 1695 is the price. Another design in cotton. Another design in cotton with this gotapati work, sequence work, cotton indigo block print kurta, block print pants, and block print cotton dupatta with this. Only 1095 is the price. This is cotton pure indigo suit in 38 size. Only one piece available. इसमें और कोई size नहीं है. Only 38 is the size and only one piece available. Another design in cotton with see the work on the neck. Just see the beautiful work on the neck, work on the sleeves with this cut work on the sleeves. Just have a look at the pants with cut work and work on the pants. And this comes with this chiffon bandage dupatta. Pure chiffon bandage dupatta with this. Only 1395 is the price. Only 1395 is the price for this. Again a cotton kurta with this embroidery on the neck. This is a Leheria bandage suit with this block print pants. Block print Leheria kurta with these block print pants and bandage dupatta with this. Only 1195 is the price. Only 1195 is the price for this Leheria bandage suit.
इंटरनेशनल है.
Again a cotton kurta with this gota detailings, these buttons in the center, block print kurta. राहुल इसमें चेक करना लाइव आ रहा है क्या? उसमें इज इट ऑन? I think I'm visible and audible to everyone on all the mediums like on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube also. We are live on YouTube also, so you all can check there also and let me know if I'm audible and visible. See the gota tailings, block print pants, block print kurta and block print dupatta with this. Only 995 is the price. Another design in cotton. I'll go a little quick. बहुत सारे designs हैं. See the embroidery on the neck in cotton. This is a fine cotton fabric kurta with this embroidery on the neck. These are the pants with little detailings on the pants and this comes with this net dupatta. Net ka dupatta with this. Only 1095 is the price. Another design in cotton lurex. This is in cotton lurex with embroidery on the neck with little handwork on the neck. Just see the sleeves with these gota tailings. This comes with this cotton pants, plain pants, and see the embroidered net dupatta with this. Only 1295 is the price. Only 1295 is the price. 38 size available ma'am. 38 आज सेल 38 साइज का है. आप लोगों को जो भी साइज चाहिए हो एक बार आप हमसे फिर भी आप स्क्रीनशॉट लेके पूछ लीजिएगा. वील लेट यू नो. This is again a cotton kurta with this embroidery. See the embroidery all over on the kurta in cotton. See the gota tailings on the side slits. Cotton pants, inner is attached. And see the dupatta with this, with cutwork dupatta and embroidery in Kota Doria. Kota Doria dupatta with this. Only 1295 is the price. Another design in cotton with embroidery on the neck. This is in cotton fabric with embroidery on the neck. This is again cotton pants with this. And this is the cotton lurex dupatta with this. Only 1295 is the price. Again a design in cotton with see the embroidery all over. This is all embroidery and not the print. This is all embroidery, heavy kurta, heavy embroidered kurta. Just have a look. This is the kurta in 38 size. These are the pants with this, plazo pants, little designer pants. See, this is the pant inside and this is the flap over it. So this is a designer pant with this. So kurta pant and this is net dupatta, complete embroidered dupatta in net. This piece is priced at only 1695. 1695 is the price for this completely embroidered kurta, pant and dupatta. Another design. Another design in cotton with, see the embroidery. This is all embroidery and sequence work all over on the kurta. This is embroidery and sequence work. See the cut work at the bottom. Cut work at the bottom. See the pants with this. This is the pant. And this comes with this heavy dupatta. Only 1295 is the price. Only 1295 is the price. Few designs in muslin I'm going to show you, and then we'll end up with the video. This is a short kurta with the plazo. Plazo is sharara isme. This is a short kurta with this cotton sharara. Cotton short kurta with this sharara and net dupatta with this. This piece is priced at only 1195. Only 1195 is the price for this block print kurta, sharara and dupatta. Another design in this cotton with, see the sequence work all over on the kurta. Just see the beautiful print. See the print. This is the pant with this, and see the dupatta with this. All sizes available from 38 to 46. Only 1195 is the price. 1195 इसका price है. 38 से 46 all sizes available. I think I am audible now, ma'am. This is a muslin angrakha neck. Ma'am, for bookings you have to take the screenshot and send us on 9602265888. This is a angrakha kurta with, see the work on the neck, embroidery on the neck. This is a muslin kurta with this cotton lurex pants and pure chiffon dupatta with these gota detailings. Only 1295 is the price. Only 1295 is the price. Another design in cotton, in muslin, in bandage with, see the embroidery on the neck. See the work on the neck. See the lehriya pants with this in muslin fabric and muslin dupatta with this. Muslin dupatta with this. Only 1295 is the price. Now this is a pure muslin fabric, bandage suit, pink color, pure muslin fabric. See the embroidery and the work on the neck. Very beautiful fabric, very nice work. This is the pant. मैम हिंदी में बोलती हूँ, बट बुकिंग के लिए आपको स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर 9602265888 पर भेजना है. ये मसलिन का कुर्ता आएगा, मसलिन की पैंट्स आएगी, इनर अटैच आएगा. ये इसका मसलिन का दुपट्टा आएगा विथ एम्ब्रॉयडरी. पूरे दुपट्टे पर एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. 1795, 1795 इज द प्राइस. ये प्योर मसलिन फैब्रिक का कुर्ता आएगा. इस पे गोटा का वर्क आएगा, लेदर पैच वर्क, गोटा वर्क एंड ओरिजिनल मिरर वर्क. लेदर पैच वर्क, गोटा वर्क एंड ओरिजिनल मिरर वर्क आएगा इस पर. प्योर मसलिन फैब्रिक, इनर इसके साथ अटैच है. प्योर मसलिन की पैंट्स है. ऑर्गेन्जा का दुपट्टा आएगा. 1895 इसका प्राइस है. पहले इसका प्राइस था 2595, अभी ये 1895, 1895 का है. ये एक और डिजाइन आएगा प्योर मसलिन फैब्रिक पर. इसके एम्ब्रॉयडरी आएगी गले पर पूरे. सी द एम्ब्रॉयडरी ऑन द नेक. प्योर मसलिन फैब्रिक. अस्तर यानी इनर अटैच है. पैंट्स में भी अस्तर लगा हुआ है. इनर इज अटैच विद द पैंट्स. कटवर्क का दुपट्टा है इसके साथ. कटवर्क दुपट्टा विद दिस, विद एम्ब्रॉयडरी ऑन द दुपट्टा. पूरे दुपट्टे पर भी एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. जस्ट सी एम्ब्रॉयडरी आएगी पूरे दुपट्टे पर. 1895 इसका प्राइस है. 1895 इज द प्राइस. अनदर डिजाइन इन प्योर मसलिन. ये देखिए इसमें वर्क विथ, सी द हैंड वर्क एंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी ऑन द नेक. बंदेज का कुर्ता आएगा. इसमें भी अस्तर है. बहुत अच्छा प्योर फैब्रिक है, मसलिन की पैंट्स है एंड सी द हैंडवर्क ऑन द दुपट्टा। पूरे दुपट्टे पे एम्ब्रॉयडरी आएगी, पूरे दुपट्टे पे एम्ब्रॉयडरी आएगी चारों तरफ। ऑन ऑल 4 साइड्स एम्ब्रॉयडरी इज देयर। मसलिन है ये, ओनली 1895 इज द प्राइस। Another design in muslin fabric with see the handwork on the neck. पूरे पे handwork with embroidery है। See the handwork and embroidery, pure muslin fabric। अस्तर जुड़ा हुआ है, inner is attached। पैंट्स में भी इनर अटैच्ड है। प्योर मसलिन का दुपट्टा जाएगा with organza की डिटेलिंग्स on the border। Only 1795 is the price। इनको बोले चुप हो जाए। चंदेरी कुर्ता with this pitta work on the neck। Chanderi kurta with pitta work on the neck। See the detailings at the bottom। Inner is attached। Pants में इसमें एम्ब्रॉयडरी आएगी और ये इसका दुपट्टा है। Only 1595, 1595 इसका प्राइस है। Another design in Chanderi with see the गोटापत्ती work on the neck। चंदेरी का कुर्ता है with these cotton pants and चंदेरी दुपट्टा रौली वाला दे दे। And at the end the one I am wearing is again a cotton suit। Just have a look at the neck। This is again a cotton kurta with see the sequence work on the neck। बहुत ही प्यारा इसका नेक है, कॉटन का सूट है, सेंटर में प्लीट्स है। दिस इज अ स्ट्रेट कुर्ता विद दीज प्रिंटेड पैंट्स एंड प्रिंटेड दुपट्टा विद दिस फुल दुपट्टा। इन दिस आई थिंक वी हैव ऑल साइजेस अवेलेबल। 2 कलर्स हैं, सारे साइजेस मिल जाएंगे 38 to 44 एंड ओनली 1195 इज द प्राइस। ओनली 1195 इज द प्राइस। आपको स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर 9602265888 पर भेजना है जो भी पीस लेना हो। ओनली 1195 इज द प्राइस। 38 साइज था जिसमें जो साइज अवेलेबल बताया है वही मिलेगा। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन।